All right, first things first. Oh. All right, nice. Yeah. In this episode of KPOPRC, we check out a really cool truck. This little bastard, look at this thing. This thing is from WPL, and it made these like ultimately scale, wicked tiny crawlers. They are super cheap. They are a step above toy grade. You can see they have like a full out, four-wheel drive line, and they have these little tiny motors, but they are fully upgradable. They have a huge community on Facebook that is modifying them and making them even more capable than they already are. This one is the C241 kit. It is the ready to run kit. They do have another option. You can get this in kit form and you can put it together. They also have a metal kit version where all of this is actually like an alloy, and the drive shafts are all metal, and it does come with a bigger motor. They also have a 2-speed transmission. They also have a sound kit. They just have all of these like really cool hop-up parts that make these things not only more capable, but just like, more customizable, so you can have more fun. And you can see, I'm gonna layer in here a whole bunch of projects from the Facebook page that are super cool, and there's a whole ton of tutorials on how to get more travel out of these shocks, and a whole other assortment of wicked tips. But just straight out of the box, it's fairly capable. And Christmas is coming up. If you've got a niece and nephew who drool over your RC projects, and you won't feel like spending $600 on a money's tight, I'm sure, for everybody. You don't want to spend that much money on something you don't know they're going to love. So this is the best way to go. These things they do not break the bank, and I think that's what makes them so awesome. And not only that, look how awesome this thing is, right? Like, it is so scale. It has an interior, it has a steering wheel. You know what I mean? Like, the snorkel is super badass. It has the little dudes here. It's pretty wicked. Anyway, so I take it out. I crawl it on some rocks and really test its capabilities. But it was a blast. It was super fun to do that. And what a fun toy. So check out WPL-RC.com if you want to buy one of these things. Check out all their hop-up parts and see, it's an easy way to get in the hobby if you're a drifter, if you are a large-scale guy and you kind of want to dabble in crawling a little bit. This is the thing to get. Not only this, though, they have all these other wicked models. From like these like big old school military trucks that just look so pimp, to like Land Rovers, and like they even have one where the bed is gone, and it's got the like hoop. It just like, the guys that are picking the models for this company know what they're doing, because they are just beautiful. Not only that, the lights light up, like it's just choice. The back lights have like these clear covers. The tires are super scale. And it would just be super cool to upgrade this and get it to be even more capable. Not that it isn't already, but it would just be cool to have fun with this thing and make it as awesome as you can. And it's just a raw plastic, so you could paint these things, you could do whatever. I've seen some dudes cut out the doors. But yeah, check them out, What a great Christmas gift. If you hurry, you probably get it before Christmas. Yeah, man. This thing's sick. So yeah, check that out. And don't worry, dudes. I'm still working on the neighbor project. I'm past to the idea phase. I'm in the execution phase, and it takes a long time to custom make things and engineer things to make them perfect. And that's where I'm at. If you guys want some teases to the neighbor project, follow me on Instagram. Wicked. K-pop out.